Good afternoon, my dear student. Today, the same unit exponents and power, exercise 2. I continue the exercise. So, in this exercise, only using the laws of the exponents. So, every law will be, means easily you find the answer. And first of all, you read the question carefully because the question will be having some laws will be included. So, first, fifth sum. Evaluate. Evaluate means you find the answer. The first sum 2 power 0 plus 3 power minus 1 is multiplied with 4 power minus 1. So bracket sum is there means first preference given for the bracket. So inside of the bracket you finish the sum and then do the second one. Okay. Any power 0, it's a law. A power 0 is equal to value 1. So any number power 0 means the value is 1. So 2 power 0 means answer is 1. Plus 3 power minus 1. In power will be in negative number means the number will be reciprocally changed. Automatically the power will be positive. So 3 reciprocal is 1 by 3. So power having 1 only. So 1 means no value of the power. So only you write the number 1 by 3. Is multiplied with 4 power minus 1. This also power having minus. So I reciprocally term the 1 by 4. Which is equal to the inside of the bracket the two number will be in addition. One is the fraction number, one is the normal number. So cross multiply you will change the LCM method. 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 plus 1 4 by 3 is multiplied with 1 by 4. In multiplication numerator and denominators are cancelled in the common table. So 4 and 4 cancel in one time. So 1 into 1 1, 1 3s are 3. So the answer is 1 by 3. Next one third subdivision 2 power minus 1 minus 4 power minus 1 minus 6 power minus 1 divided by 3 by 2 whole power minus 2. So everything is power minus inside of the bracket. So you will change into reciprocally change the 2 1 by 2, 4 reciprocally change 1 by 4, 6 reciprocally change 1 by 6. In number sign will be not to change anywhere. So minus will be inside of the 1 by 4 and 1 by 6 divided by 3 by 2 whole power minus 2. It's reciprocally change the 3 by 2, 2 by 3. The power will be plus 2. So the next one, this 3 number in subtraction. So subtraction also in addition subtraction. Every fraction number will be having the common LCM. You will change and then you will subtract the numerator. Okay, you take the 2, 4, 6 for the LCM in 2 table 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Again 2 table 1 time, 3 time, 3 table 1 time. So everything is 1 means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 is the LCM. In 2 table 6 multiplied the 12 will come. So numerator automatically 6 minus 4 into 3 you having the 12. So 1 3s are 3. 6 2s are 12. So 1 into 2 2. So 6 minus 3 minus 2 divided by 12. So 6 minus number will be plus to plus 3 plus 2 minus 5. 6 minus 5 you get 1 by 12. So this 2 by 3 is same for this. So in power 2 will be for both 2 and 3. So separately I take the power 2 square and 3 square. 2 square is nothing. The divided sign in 2 number inside. So in division will be multiplication sign. You change remains. It's reciprocally change there 2 by 3, 3 by 2. So 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. Already in denominator having 12 in this number. So common tables are cancelled. In 3 table 9 3 time, 12 4 time. So 1 3s are 3, 4 4s are 16. So the answer is 3 by 16. The next one, sixth sum, evaluate 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 minus 1 by 3 whole power minus 2 divided by 1 by 5 whole power minus 2. The same for this. Power is minus sign means reciprocally change the number 2 power 3. 1 by 3 reciprocally change. So 3. The power minus 2 is termed as plus 2. Divided by 1 by 5 reciprocally changed 5. The power minus 2 changed to plus 2. So every cube square will be expanded. 2 cube means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 square means 3 3s are 9. 5 square means 5 5s are 25. Now 8 minus 9 you get minus 1 divided by 25. So simply you write minus 1 by 25. This is the answer. The second sum 2 by 3 whole power minus 2 minus 3 by 4 whole power minus 1. Whole will be powered for minus 2. First inside of the bracket you will finish that. So power is minus 2 means reciprocally change 3 by 2 whole power plus 2. 3 by 4 reciprocally change means the power will be plus 1. So 4 by 3 plus 1 means no need to put the 1 whole power minus 2. The square will be taken inside of the bracket. So 3 square 3 3s are 2 square means 2 2s are 4 by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. The 2 number is subtraction. So subtraction means cross multiply. You take the LCM. So 3 is multiplied with 9, 4 is multiplied with 4. So 9 3s are 27, 4 4s are 16. So 27 minus 16 by 4 3s are 12, whole power minus 2. So 27 minus 16, you get 11 by 12, whole power minus 2. So 12 by 11 I reciprocally change because the power will be minus. So I change it to plus positive. So 12 square is 144, 11 square is 121. Square number, cube number, everything you practiced, children. So this is very important. So third subdivision, 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 is added to 1 by 3 whole power minus 2. The whole power minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 whole power minus 1. So 1 by 2 whole power minus 3 means it's reciprocally changed 2 power 3. 1 by 3 is reciprocally changed 3 power 2. The whole power minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 reciprocally changed 4 power plus 1. So no need to write the plus 1. So 2 cube means it is 9, 8, 3 square means 9, so whole power minus 1, 8 plus 9 we get 17, 17 power minus 1 divided by 4. So its power minus 1 means reciprocal change 1 by 17 divided by 4. Divide by 4, it's already in denominator 14, 17, 17 into 4 you get 68. So answer is 1 by 68. This is today class, children. So everyone copy down this everything in your class work notes. So in 5th sum you have some only 2 sums I do. The remaining sum you take it as a homework, but 6th sum I do all the sums. So this is class today. So thank you children to watching the video.